I'm Dr. Tiana Seetzy, founder of RejuvenationMD. We're committed to helping you achieve the very best results. As such, it's important for you to follow our prescribed pre- and post-care treatment protocols, which are designed to help your body optimally receive and recover from your procedure. Sculptra Aesthetic is a safe, biocompatible, biostimulatory, regenerative filler used to treat skin laxity, lifting nasolabial folds, improving contour deficiency, and smoothing wrinkles, giving you a natural, non-surgical lift. Before your Sculptra Aesthetic treatment, schedule your appointment at least 2 weeks before any important events, as bruising may occur. Avoid alcoholic beverages and over-the-counter blood thinning supplements at least 24 hours before your procedure to help prevent bruising. Take arnica tablets, 5 pellets, 3 times a day, 2 days prior to your injection. When you arrive, your provider will take some photos of the treatment area and may apply numbing cream for maximum comfort. Typically, the injections take less than 30 minutes. After your Sculptra procedure, you will massage the area for 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. It's normal to feel firmness in the injection area for the first few days after the treatment, and then the area will soften. Bruising and tenderness at the site of injection is pretty common. For face treatments, for the first week, sleep on your back with an extra pillow to keep your head slightly elevated and pillows on each side. Don't sleep directly on the area just injected for at least a week. For buttock treatments, there should be no significant lower extremity or aerobic exercise, no submerging the area underwater, no heat exposure, including hot tubs, and you must not sleep on your back for 2 weeks. Apply ice packs to reduce swelling and redness, and contact us if any of these things persist. Immediately report any worsening or persistent symptoms as well. For the face, we recommend at least 2 to 3 sessions of injections, and the number of vials required should equal the number of decades that you are old. For example, if you are 40 years old, you will need 4 vials in the first year. 50-year-olds need 5 vials within the first year for the best results. Butt lift patients need 2 to 3 sessions for optimal lift. All patients need maintenance treatments of an additional 2 vials per year. After your treatment, your body is going to absorb the Sculptra particles and begin developing new collagen tissue in the treatment areas. Results will be gradually noticeable, with final results appearing approximately 3 months after treatments. Our providers are here to support you through each step of your journey. It's important for us to maintain an open line of communication with all of our patients. You can call us anytime. We look forward to comparing your before and after pictures and seeing your final results.